Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back this week with a Plague Champion from One Page Rules. They were black and white Zenithal Primes, and I get started with dark green grey for all of these skin. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I start highlighting the skin with emerald green. This is a very vibrant green compared to what I thought it would be, but it ends up looking a bit like a mutated orc in the end, which is a pretty cool idea for an army, and I will probably stick with that. The final highlight on the skin is olive green for the sharper edges, as well as the base colour for the hair. For the fungus armor, I wanted something that will contrast with the green well, so I base coat the whole thing with orc blood. Being orc blood though, this does take a few coats to get up to the opacity that I want. To highlight the armor, I used Runic purple just to go around all of the edges. Moving on to the mushrooms and the weapons, they get a base coat with golden brown. I'm not too sure if doing the weapons like this was a good idea, but that is the point of a test model. I'm not going to finish this army anytime soon, so I have some time to do a few different ones and pick the best parts. Highlighting all the yellow, I used sandy yellow. This gives it a bit more of a desaturated look, as if the life's starting to be drained from it. There are a good selection of wraps and ropes around this mini. This all gets done with Wasteland brown. You can of course break this up a bit with a few different colours, but this is not an important part of the mini. I want the eye to be more drawn towards the purple armour. To make the skulls and the teeth stand out a bit more, they get a highlight with Vampire Fang. I add a basic highlight to the brown just to break up some of the larger blocks with light brown. The base also gets a once over with this colour. Moving on to the washes, I get all the green and purple washed with Necrosis green wash. second wash on the Mini is a mid brown for all of that brown, yellow and the purple parts again. I went for this wash as it has a hint of red and it will just contrast nicely with the green that's already on the Mini. And that will be it for the Plague Champion. I think the green and purple works well together, but the yellow weapons just seems too odd to me. I might have to give it a go shifting that yellow more towards the red spectrum, give it a bit of an orange look. If you have any questions though, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, there will be photos of this Mini on my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.